Hello children, today we are going to see addition. Addition of 3-digit number. In previous class also we have seen addition with and without regrouping. Today we are going to see 3-digit addition with regrouping of tens. In previous class regrouping of ones we have seen. Today regrouping of tens we are going to see. Example sum I will teach now. Add 431 and 295. 431 and 295. First we have to write 100 tens ones and 431, 295. Always step 1 will be add ones place first. Always add ones place first. See, step 1, add the ones. So 1 ones plus 5 ones is nothing but 6 ones. So you are writing 6 in the ones place. Next you have to add tens place. 3 tens plus 9 tens equal to how much? 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. See here 12 tens. 3 plus 9 equal to 12 tens. So in 12 tens, 1 is 100. 1 is 100 and 2 is tens. 1 is 100 and 2 is tens in the tens place. If 12 is in tens place, 1 is 100 and 2 is tens. This one you have to remember. So 1 we are carrying over to the 100 place and 2 tens we are putting in the tens place. 1 we are carrying over to the 100 place and 2 we are putting in the tens place. Okay. Next see. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 100's place 7 is the answer. So 431 plus 295 equal to 726. Okay. Next, we will do some example sums. Okay. Exercise 3. Add. See here 100 tens ones. 767 plus 191. 191. So first you have to add ones place. First you have to add ones place. So 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is nothing but 8. So 8 we are writing in ones place. Next 6 plus 9. How much is 6 plus 9? 6 plus 9 is nothing but 15. 6 plus 9 is nothing but 15. 6 tens plus 9 tens equal to 15. 15 is in tens place. So what you will do? If it comes in tens place, 15 tens is nothing but 105 tens. So 1 you are writing in 100 place and 5 you are writing in tens place. Okay. So 15 tens is nothing but 105 tens. So 1 you are writing in hundreds place and 5 in tens place. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 958. 767 plus 191 is equal to 958. Same way. See here. First you have to add ones place. So 9 plus 0 is nothing but 9. Any number plus 0 will be the same number. 8 plus 2. 8 tens plus 2 tens is nothing but 10 tens. In 10 tens, 10, 10 tens, 1 is 100 and 0 is tens. Okay, so you are writing 1 in hundreds place and 0 in tens place. Okay, 10 tens equal to 100 and 0 tens. So 1 you are writing in hundreds place and 0 in tens place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 you are writing in hundreds place. What will be the answer? 809. 589 plus 220 is equal to 809. Next, ones place we have to add. Always remember ones place. First we have to add, then tens place, then only hundreds place. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then 1 plus 9 equal to 1 plus 9 equal to 10. 10 in tens place. 10 in tens place means 1010. In 1010, 1 is 100 and 0 is tens place. Okay, you are carrying over 100 to the 100 place. 10 in 10, 1 is hundreds place. So you are carrying over 1 to the hundreds place and 0 you are putting in the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So here also the answer is 809. 618 plus 191 equal to 809. Now we are going to see add 56 plus 56, 56 and 83. See here, step 1. See 100 tens once you have put. Always put 100 tens once. 56 and 83 means 56, 5 in tens place and 6 in ones place. Then again 83, 8 in tens place and 3 in ones place. So add the ones first. Add the ones plus 6 plus 3. If you add 9 will be the answer. So you are writing 9 ones here. Then add tens place. Add tens place. If you add tens place, 5 plus 8 is nothing but 13. See here, add tens. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. In 13, 1 is 100 and 3 is tens. In 13, 1 is 100 and 3 is tens. So you are carrying over this 1 to the hundreds place. So you are carrying over here 13 tens came, no? In that 1 is 100 and 3 is tens. So 100 you are carrying over to the hundreds place. So here in third place, in hundreds place, see here nothing is there. Only 1 is there. So 1 plus nothing is there means it is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1 only. No? So 1 you can write it here. Understood? If two numbers, tens and ones only they have given means you have to do like this. Okay. In tens place, if 13 comes, is nothing but 103 tens. That 100 you have to carry over to the 100 place and you can write like this. Okay. See here, now we are going to see three-digit addition with regrouping of ones and tens. First we saw without regrouping. Next we saw regrouping of ones in first session. Today's session we have seen regrouping of tens and addition of two-digit number. How it is carrying over to the hundreds place also. Now I am going to teach with regrouping of ones and tens. With regrouping of ones and tens. Add 265 and 358. See here how you will write 100 tens ones, 265 plus 358. Always you have to add from ones place. Keep it in your mind. Always you have to add from ones place. Understood? Okay. 5 plus 8. 5 plus first step. See, first you are adding ones place. 5 plus 8. In 5 plus 8, if you add, answer will be 13. Answer will be 13. In that 13, 3 is in ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. In 13, 1 you have to carry over to the tens column and 3 you have to add it. You have to put it in ones column. Okay. Now tens column if you take, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So in 12, what you will do? In 12, what you will do? 2 you have to write it here and 1 you have to carry over to the hundreds place. As we have told already, as I have told in previous example, see 1 to 12 is there means 100 and 2 tens. So 100 you have to carry over to the hundreds place and 2 tens you have to write it here. Okay. Next 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer will be 623. Always add from ones column. Then you have to, if two-digit number comes in ones column, it is first number is tens place. It should carry over to the tens place and second digit ones you have to write it in ones column. Okay. Same way only in tens column also. Okay. So the answer is 623. 265 plus 358 is equal to 623. We will see some example sums. See here, add. They have written hundreds, tens, ones. Always you have to write 100, tens, ones. 457 plus 264. 457 plus 264. 7 plus 4. 7 in your mind, 4 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to add like this, okay? In 11, 1 will be in ones place and other one will be in the tens. You have to carry over to the tens place, okay? Next, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. In 12, what you have to do? 2 you have to write here and 1 you have to carry over to the hundreds place, okay? Understood? So, see here, 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. In 11, 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 you are writing here, 10 ones you are writing in the tens place. Then you are adding 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. In 12 tens, 100 and 2 tens. In 100 you are carrying over to the hundreds place and 2 you are writing, 2 tens you are writing in the tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So here 7 will come. So the answer for 457 plus 264 is equal to 721. Same way, see here, 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is nothing but 12. So in 12, 2 you will write here and 1 you will carry over to the tens place. Next, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So in 13, 3 you will write here and 1 you will carry over to the hundreds place. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here you are writing 4. So the answer is 432. Next sum. 6 plus 6 is 12. In 12, 2 you will write it here and 1 you will carry over to the tens place. Next, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. So in 13, 3 you will write it here and 1 you will carry over to the hundreds place. Next, 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer for 546 plus 186 is 732. See here, 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is nothing but 13. In 13, 3 you will write here and 1 you will carry over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 you will write it here and 1 you will write it in the hundreds place. You are carrying over to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 you are writing it here. So 368 plus 355 is equal to 723. I hope you all understood addition without regrouping, with regrouping of tens, with regrouping of ones, and both tens and ones. We will see in the next session with different addition. Bye bye. Thank you.